How to reopen Instagram photos that have already been viewed. First thing first, open up your Instagram and make sure that you are logged into your account. Now from here, you just want to head over to your messages section by swiping left on your screen. And once you land on the messages, as you can see, if someone has sent you a photo, you will see this play button right here, but you don't want to tap on it because what you need to do first is simply tap on this view photo option and you should be able to view the photo. Now, if you don't want to view the other photos, you can tap and hold on it and see it yourself. You could also try to take a screenshot, but Instagram recently has changed its feature where it does not allow any screenshots. So you can view the photo like this, and if you want to view it again, what you need to do is simply go ahead and tap on play again, and it should show you the picture like this. Now what you can do is tap on this photo again and you can view it again after you've viewed it from the outside. But if you have missed it all of these without having to open it from the outside, then the last thing you can do is ask your friend to send it again and make sure they turn on allow replays or keep in chat. And that's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.